Poltergeist. 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 Yeah. Oh my God. I'm actually scared.
Best one to end up with.
Good at night. Hey, my dad is.
That's one in the garage, right?
It's cream white.
Sailboats must be secured and out of sight.
Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I forgot to count down. Welcome back, riders. If you enjoyed your ride, put your hands in the air. Woo! All right, that's what I love to see in here. You may now buckle your seatbelt, put them on that black bar, stand up, and exit right towards me. Thank you, lovely people, for riding the Poltergeist, and I hope that you have an amazing rest of your night and a very safe trip home. Goodbye. Out here. Are you guys ready? Yes. Okay.
I see the place back. While we wait to bring you back in, please unbuckle your seatbelt. The ride vehicle will move forward shortly.